So here's the stadium, but it's closed because there's no game as of this moment. But look at the other side. See, look at that. You can watch it from there too while drinking. Can you see it? That's cool, right? So clean. I like it here in Suzu, right? Visit here in St. Louis. Tomorrow we will be visiting the Union Station, I think, with the Ferris wheel. I think it's on that side if you can see it.
Actually, you can see it.
You can see it there. And the Gateway Arch, right?
Yeah.
It's huge. Tomorrow we will try to ride the tram going to the top. So watch out for our next vlog. But yeah, for now, enjoy this Ballpark village and visit it soon. But wait, we're not done yet. There's a big stadium. Shirt. Open. I don't know. So look at this statue. They're so cute. Okay, I think we will be visiting the store inside because I want to do some shopping. Okay, look at that. It's huge. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's for now. Watch out for our next vlog.